Hey, so, if you're having trouble logging into TradingView, yeah, like the login button not working, endless loading, or incorrect login errors, that's pretty common. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First things first, make sure your email and password are correct. Sometimes it's just a small typo, or caps lock is turned on without noticing. If you're not sure, just reset your password, enter your email, and follow the reset link you receive. Now, make sure your internet is stable. A weak connection can stop the login page from loading properly. Try switching Wi-Fi or mobile data. Another common issue is stored browser data. So go to Settings, Clear Cache and Cookies, then try logging in again. Extensions like ad blockers can also block login requests. Disable them temporarily and refresh the page. If it still doesn't work, try incognito mode. This removes extensions and uses a clean session, which often fixes login issues. Sometimes the issue is browser-specific. Try using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better compatibility. And finally, sometimes TradingView servers might be down. If that's the case, just wait a few minutes and try again. So yeah, that's how you fix TradingView login issues. Most of the time it's just a password, cache, or browser problem. Try these steps and you should be able to log in again easily. Hey, so,